Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to put up a happy birthday GIF in Messenger story. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now open the app and sign into your Messenger account. Now on your screen you can see chats and stories option at the bottom of your screen. Tap on stories and select add to story. Take a picture, then select sticker and find GIF. If the GIF option is not there, you can also go back and open a conversation. Tap on AA, then select sticker option right beside the like option. There, go to GIF. Type in happy birthday, select the GIF you want to post. Once you send it, right beside it you can see the share option. Tap on it, then select add to your story, and there you go. You can see that's how you put up a happy birthday GIF in Messenger story. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.